AKINCI successfully hit the target at a range of 140 kilometers with the UAV-230 supersonic missile developed by ROKETSAN. Baykar published the shooting images of the EHA-230 supersonic missile developed by ROKETSAN in his post on his official account. Bayraktar AKINCI, which took off from the Korlu district of Tekirdağ, successfully hit the target off the coast of Sinop with the EHA-230 missile. The first test fire of the EHA-230 supersonic missile with Bayraktar AKINCI was carried out in December 2022. The TRG-230 UAV, the configuration of the TRG-230 guided artillery rocket fired from AKINCI-B and developed by ROKETSAN for use from SIA, successfully hit a target 100+ kilometers away. In the shooting test, AKINCI-B, attack unmanned aerial vehicle, was used as the platform and the shot was made from an altitude of 25,000 feet.